Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I do a ton of these fifth generation Mustangs. Actually going to be doing a few videos on these Mustangs today. Today we have a 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium with only 57,000 miles. It's a Coyote 5.0 liter V8 with an automatic transmission, and I've only ever had one other one of these, a full glass pano roof. It was about a $2,000 factory option. You didn't see it a lot because most of the people got a convertible if they wanted the open air look and feel, but really cool, especially whenever you're sitting in the car. It feels spacious. It's got a shade that you can open and close, and just a neat option that they had. So again, only 57,000 miles. I had this car shipped up to Pennsylvania. I believe it came from the Carolinas, but it'll be on the Carfax. It has been ceramic coated, and obviously you can see it's got a set of grabber blue stripes, which I would have never thought to do, but I actually really like it on this car. I think it really goes together. This car's got just enough of a look, nothing overkill on it, and really tastefully done. So today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, engine bay, show you everything. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car in person or have it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're buying. So we'll start in the front and work our way around. As you can see, really clean front bumper here and hood. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I always look on these hoods for any kind of peeling. I don't believe this one has any, definitely none on the top. Whenever we do the engine bay, we'll check at the underside as well, but I believe it's really clean. Obviously, you can see the grabber blue stripes. I don't see any signs of bubbling or anything like that. It was definitely professionally done. And you can see they went the whole way. A lot of people try to cheat and only do the hood. Still looks nice, but to do the whole car really brings it all together, in my opinion. Retro style fog light grille here. Obviously, headlights, fog lights are really nice. They're not hazy, delaminated, or anything at all. And I don't see any major signs of chipping or scratches on the front bumper. So if you want to come over here, we'll start the driver's side. Obviously, if I miss anything, call me, text me, email me. I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around with you as well. And you can see we do have a full house in here at the moment. So if you see anything else in the background you'd like to get information on, definitely call me. All right, these are a set of 19-inch wheels. They're probably the same in the back. Usually people don't do staggered wheels on these. Really good tread left on these. There's no peeling or anything on the insides, and very little wear on these aftermarket chrome wheels. They do make a factory wheel that looks similar to this. One of my favorite style wheels, though, especially on these Mustangs. So really nice there. Your fender into the door, into the quarter panel. I don't see any dents. There's no scuffs or anything along the wheel wells. Quarter windows look like they've been tinted at some point. For about $75, you can buy a set of quarter windows. They stick on. Really gives it a nice look. My California Special over there, I had that done on. But and again, your glass, extremely nice. There's no chips or cracks or haze marks to it. I've only ever had one other one. Again, this does not open. It's not a sunroof, but just a real nice, spacious panoramic view. So we'll go to the back here. While I'm back here, let's see. Yep, 19's in the back as well. Insides are perfect. They're not peeling up or anything. Excuse me if it's allergy season and I have allergies. So rear window into the deck lid, into the rear bumper. I'd say as close to perfect as you're going to get. There's no, nobody backed into anything, caused any spider cracking. This generation does have the sequential taillights from the factory. That's something the older ones didn't have, but you could always add. And I do have two sets of keys for it. The Windows sticker says that it has a factory remote start as well, which I believe this is it, but I don't know how it operates, but that's what the Windows sticker said. So that's probably what that extra key is. Super clean trunk. These are a really deep trunk in these. Definitely a length of my arm. And the seats do fold down as well, which is nice. If you're looking to go on a trip or something, don't need the back seat, lay it down, got lots of space. But now I won't do it with the key, but you can see taillights are all really nice and clean. All right, excuse me. Going into the passenger side. Always point this out on my videos. I always look right here on these Mustangs. A lot of times the clips can fail over the years, separate, need reset, but no issues on this one. Really nice in the quarter and the bumper, no dents. And yeah, just the same on the passenger side as the driver's side. Wheels all nice. No curb rash on this one. No curb rash on this one. Couple little black marks. Nothing to get excited about. You won't see it in the video. I probably have a picture of it, but I always point it out in the back behind the wheel. There's like a traction bar, and I always look at those because you can tell how the car's been treated. This one's really nice. It's original paint. A lot of times they rust out if they're a northern car. Again, this isn't a northern car, so you don't have to worry about that, but that is a good place to look for if you're looking at multiple of these. All right, love the interior on these. So again, it is a GT Premium. You'll see the white stitching and the white accent marks through the center of the seats. That's all factory. It does have factory heated seats, navigation, the pano roof. Don't quote me. The only thing I think that this car doesn't have is a Brembo brake package, which isn't a big deal. From what I can see, it's fully loaded. You see the nice, I don't know what you'd call it, billet maybe, dash covering here. And that's all factory. Again, it does have steering wheel controls for the radio. I think it has a backup camera too. Let me check. 57,500 miles. Wait for this to kick on. No kind of dash lights or warning lights. No tire lights, anything like that. Throw it in reverse here. Yep. There's your backup camera. And again, a nice, real clear. I'm going to shut it off because it's a little noisy. Sounds like it might have a set of mufflers on it. I'll have to double check that. But a nice clear glass on the top here. 2 sets of keys. There's your owner's manuals, wheel lock, everything's there. And then you can change, this has the My color, so you can change the color of the interior lights as well. Go to underneath the hood here. Again, 5.0 liter. They're about 415 horsepower from the factory. A lot of little things you can do to up these that, you know, you can get an intake or something like that. All right. Very little bit of that bubbling there that I was telling you about, a little bit there. But again, they almost all have. It doesn't matter if they got 5,000 miles or 105,000 miles. But nothing on the lip or going to the top, which is the important part. Strut towers, no kinds of surface rust or anything, all original paint. It does have the engine dress-up kit, so you can see it's got a nice, really all comes together underneath the engine bay here. I did have this car PA inspected whenever I got it in. All the ones that we get from South, we always have them inspected wherever they need, they get. And we try to have these cars gone over the best we can. That way, whenever you buy the car, you can drive it home, get in and enjoy it. You're not going to be getting tires or having to put brakes on. Again, they do get new PA inspections, and I do a ton of Mustangs. Check out my sold section. Got to be close to 275 05 to 14 Mustangs. I own 2 myself. They're great cars, and this thing would be an easy one to add to anybody's collection. It's got everything going for it, and it's available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching.